Crunchy fish fingers. These are so delicious you won't even know they're baked. The trick for super crunchy baked fish fingers is to toast the breadcrumbs until golden brown first and let cool completely before moving to the next step. Line 2 baking sheets with aluminum foil and spread 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil onto each pan. Cut each fish fillet so they're about 2 inches long and about 1 inch wide. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 eggs. In another large bowl, add 2 cups of unseasoned breadcrumbs, a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of dried herbs like dried dill or parsley, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, optional, and a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, optional. Dip each piece of fish into the egg mixture and then heavily press it into the breadcrumb mixture, then place on the baking sheet. Flip the fingers once so the oily side is facing up. Bake for 15 minutes, then turn the top broiler on for the last 5 to 7 minutes. Serve with some sliced lemon, tartar sauce, or tzatziki to dip. These are so crunchy and delicious, the fam will approve.